It's early October and I've been invited out to go again into the mountains down in southern BC this time. We're going to spend the weekend there. Elliot's going to stay out for a bit longer, but stick around, I'll show you. Hi, welcome back to Off the Beaten Track Canada. Anthony here. We're going to go spend the weekend down in southern BC, up into the mountains. We're staying at Pollock Creek, the campground. Fantastic little location. And we're going to spend the weekend cruising around, finding out new camping grounds, new campsites, new places to explore. We go right down to the border of the United States. It's a disused border crossing point, but interesting nonetheless. We find a couple of vehicles ditched and in the grounds. A really old Mercury and an old Chevy truck. Hope you enjoy the video, and let's go. See you around. We headed west along through the prairies, through a few small towns, before we finally started seeing the Rockies in the distance. We passed through a place called Frank Slide, where in 1903 110 tons of rock slid down the hill, covering a mining town and killing 70 people. It's quite a sombre sight seeing this. There's many still trapped in the place. We decided to stop for lunch. We've been going some time, so we stopped at the famous Rum Runner in Coleman. Once we finished our lunch, it was time to hit the road again. Continued west along the highway towards the Rocky Mountains, going through Craziness Pass. It wasn't long before it started getting a little bit hilly, and it was time to break track, head south into the mountains. It's quite evident there'd been some snowfall over the last couple of days, because shortly after we started hitting some snow, and it proved a little bit tricky at times. Fortunately, we both got electronic brakes. Holy crap! Thought I was going to lose it there. Holy crap! Holy crap, did you see his trailer? That trailer nearly went. I better take my time over this. Oh, you good, you're cross. She nearly went in. So we're set camp. We're at Pollock Creek. I'm set up the diesel heater. I'm just tested it. I'll show you around now. Show you what we've done. So what we're doing is put it underneath the trailer. So it's running off a 12 volt source. Here, vented into the tent. Exhaust on the bottom. Oh yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're here in Pollock Creek now. We're just going to have breakfast. We're knocking it up together. I'm doing bacon. Kate's doing eggs and coffee. And we'll have breakfast and head out on a little trip this morning. Where we're going, do we know yet?
Around.
We'll
just go for a trip.
We'll make it up as we go along. So we found a beautiful spot. Sorry, I'm not going to tell you where it is because I'm going to use it myself in the future. But we're still in BC, right in the south. Beautiful place though. Look at this, right on the campsite. Really quiet. Beautiful. There's an old jetty and what looks like a rowing boat. Very picturesque. Nice. Right, let's get back in the vehicle, let's go. Let's do more exploring. Well, we're heading down to the US border. We just stopped just short. Interesting little place. There's some kind of hunter's cabin. There's a few cabins around here. I had some warning not to go any further because the road keeps washing away and dropping off, but we're going to go down anyway. We're in a Jeep pallet. Why not? And just down there is the US border, about 1 kilometre. Let's go now. Let's get down there. Well, we're at the Canada-US border from BC. This is the old Canadian site. There's the US border. Let's go look at this monument.
There's the border. It's a big trench.
Oh yeah, if you look down the big line up there.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's the big line. Well, that's pretty cool.
Canada.
Should say US on the other side.
United States.
Nice.
There's the line down there, look. So, let's not cross over this way. That's pretty cool. Look at this old thing we've just found. What kind of car is that? Can you tell?
Mercury.
Oh, that's pretty cool. It's obviously slid off the road at some point and...
Yeah, this is where they abandoned it.
Oh, that's cool. I've got trees growing out of it.
Been shot a few times.
Oh yeah. At close range. Cool. That's pretty sweet. Let's go. Keep going. certainly higher up now, aren't we? Looks like we found another marvellous place for camping. So we found moose print, and also we found, we think, cougar prints, and it's fairly fresh snow. I think it's cougar, a bit too small for bear. Pretty cool camp spot. It's a pretty cool camp spot. We'll definitely have to come here. How clear this water is. So you say this lake goes down to the US border?
Yeah, this crosses the US border.
You go on a paddling boat and then you see the cutting, and then that's when you know the border's there. Okay, that's definitely a keeper. We're going to come back here, definitely. So we're going to log it. I'm not going to tell you where it is, and we'll come back probably next summer. I've not seen me coming here before that.
Yeah, I know. I think one more snowfall and you won't get in and out of here.
No, it's quite a drive down here, but definitely coming back. Let's carry on, back on the road. I'll probably head back to camp now. What you're seeing here is an old truck. Looks like it got stuck in the mud and they left it. Now trees are growing out of it. It can't have an engine in because there's just a tree coming out of the engine block.
Yeah. No, somebody probably pulled the engine years ago.
That's funny. What truck is it, do you think?
Looks like a 55 or 57 Chevy.
It's like somebody's been using it as target practice too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been pretty well stripped, but still fucking cool.
That's funny.
Yeah, they probably ended up driving it off the road and couldn't get it back up and just left it here.
Well, that just about wraps everything up today. We've done some great exploring, found out some fabulous new campsites to explore, and come back next year. Been down to the US border, as you saw. That was quite interesting. Saw some cool stuff. Time now to knock up some dinner, set campfire up, and get some wine out. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget, subscribe, like, all that good business. Look out for any new ones. In the meantime, watch us set up camp, have some dinner, to some music. Catch you later, guys.